In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IBAN and SWIFT details on Revolut. If you've ever needed to receive a bank transfer from another bank or from overseas, you've probably been asked for two things: your IBAN, which stands for International Bank Account Number, and your bank's SWIFT or BAC code, which identifies the bank itself. Revolut makes these easy to find right inside the app, and in just a moment, you'll know exactly where to look. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. On the main screen, tap the account you want to use. This might be your Euro account, your primary currency balance, or any other currency wallet you hold. Each currency can have its own account details, so be sure you're selecting the one you plan to receive money into. Once you're inside that account, look for the account details page. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button labeled account details, or similar, usually near your balance or under a card that shows account information. Tap it to open the full set of bank details. Right here, you'll see what you came for. Your IBAN will be shown clearly, and just below or alongside it, you'll find the SWIFT or BAC code. The IBAN is the long sequence that specifies your country, bank, and individual account, while the SWIFT or BAC is a shorter code that identifies the bank internationally. These are the exact details you give to an employer, a client, or a friend who's sending you a transfer. To make sharing accurate, use the copy icon next to each item. One tap copies the full IBAN or SWIFT code to your clipboard so you can paste it into a message or a form without worrying about typos. After you paste, it's a good idea to glance over it to confirm it matches what you saw in the app. If you need to send your details directly, tap the share button. This lets you send your account details through your preferred app in a single tidy message. Only share these details with people you trust. And remember, you never need to share your login credentials or card numbers for a bank transfer, and that's all there is to it. You've quickly found your IBAN and SWIFT on Revolut, copied them safely, and shared them when needed.